I'm feeling high when I'm low, I need it more when you're close to me, 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 close to me. I'm broken when you're not around, unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now.
This is our first hotel here in Macau. It's called Hotel Hukong. This is the building, and sa tabi ay merong Restaurante Hukong Thailandes. And maraming kumakain, and gutom na rin kami. So, we've decided na humila na rin. So, later, we will show you the food. Welcome to Macau. There's another restaurant just beside our hotel. It's Hoon Restaurant. Pero, hindi siya pila. So, alam niyo naman, mga Pilipino, kapag walang pila, ibig sabihin hindi masarap. Kaya doon na tayo sa may pila. Pero mukha naman masarap din naman. So baka matry din namin itong restaurant na to. Pero tonight, doon kami sa kabila. Ayan. Jacob! Lamig na. Parang Baguio. Ordered one pad thai. And pineapple fried rice, and this one, stir fried basil with minced pork and pork ribs. So this is what we ordered. Thai restaurant pala itong pinilahan namin, hindi naman pala to restaurant sa Macau. Pero look at the vibe. Daming tao, blockbuster, yung isang table dun, puro Filipino sila. Marami kaming nakita dito mga Pinoy, namamasyal din. Okay, maya kain na po kami. This is pork ribs, and this is pineapple fried rice. Basil? Ano yan? Parang gulay. Good morning, Macau! Ngayon po ay alas 5 ng umaga. Kami po ay hindi masyadong nakatulog kagabi dahil napakatigas po ng kama. Ay, nako. Namahay kaming tatlo. Kaya ito, at 5 a.m., naglalakad-lakad na kami dito sa Macau. So, ito ay market. Ito ay supermarket na 24 hours. And ito aking mga boys. Sabi ni Jacob, oh! Say good morning, boys! Say hi to the vlog! Oh, Jacob naka-vlog to. The weather is 18 degrees. Yan. Parang nasa Baguio. Okay, so ganitong sitwasyon namin. Naghahanap-hanap kami ng pwedeng kainan at this early morning. See you guys later. Babush! Ito po yung Santa Casa da Misericordia. I think ano to, parang church ba to? Andito na kami sa Senado Square. Walang katao-tao dahil alas 5 ng umaga. Woohoo! Maganda to sa gabi. Kaya lang, ngayon, walang ilaw. So, babalikan natin to sa gabi para makita natin and ma-enjoy yung mga lights. Pero ang ganda, no? Tingnan mo, oh. May mga alleys. Oo. Ayan, ito yung Senado Square. So, we are eating our breakfast here. This is the authentic Lechon Macau. They have several roast pork, roast duck, roast chicken. Ito yung itlog nila. Ayan. Freshly chopped. Excuse me po. And ito yung mga dumplings. Ayan. Ito fried. This one is fried. This one is steamed. Ah, okay. Siomai. Ayan, siomai. This one. This one, siomai. Siomai, okay. Ah, very nice. Very fresh. So, nandito kami sa... I cannot read. Pero this is the restaurant. Yan. Nakatuwa. Ooh, authentic na Lechon Macau talaga. Pilipino ka, kuya? Say hi to the vlog.
Morning po.
Nag-work ka dito? Ang daming Pinoy dito, ha? Oo. Nakakatuwa naman. Ito talaga, kuya, yung authentic Lechon Macau, no? Lechon baboy. Ito yung Lechon Macau. Yan. Talaga? Oo nga eh. Parang nga eh. Authentic. Sheshe. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year po.
Sir Kitchen. Ito yung mga boys ko. Madali mag-order kasi you just point kung anong gusto mo. Boto, nag-point kami dito. Ito, isa. Ito, dalawa. Ganun madali lang, di ba? Ito, mga boys ko. Kain na. Kain po tayo. Ito po in order namin. To the ruins of St. Paul. To, kita na. Ayun. Walang katao-tao. Good morning. Yan. Yan ang ruins of St. Paul. During daytime, madaming tao dito. Kaliwat kanan ng mga bilihan ng mga beef jerky. Pero ngayon, no, nakita natin siya na wala pang turista. Okay, pag malapit na, tsaka natin ulit kukunan ng video. See you in a bit! Welcome to the ruins of St. Paul here in Macau. Parque da Fortaleza do Monte. Here is the way going to the fort of Macau, Macau Fort. So this is a historical place. And here's a statue. Let's see who this is. So, this is Padre Mateo S.J. Walang... Okay. So, this bust was created on August 7, 2010 during the special occasion marking the 400th anniversary of the passing of Padre Mateo Ricci S.J. This is a bronze statue in memory of him. So this is the actual fort of Macau ruins. Over there's the Museum of Macau, but it's still closed. And this is the fort, Macau Fort, which used to protect the city from the invaders. Hi boys! And this is the ruins of St. Paul. Maganda pumunta dito sa ruins of St. Paul very early in the morning kasi walang tao, as you can see. Walang masyadong tao. And maganda kunan ng picture kasi sunrise. Very nice. authentic na noodles. Wow. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung tinapay nila. Yun. That goes with the noodles. Yan. Dami ring nakain. Ito lang hinuhugasan. Test tayo kung ano meron dito. I think mga siomai, dumplings, and pineapple cheese. Pineapple bun. This is a Snoopy store. Very nice. The Snoopy store. This is a pasteleria, Yankee. So most of the products here are basically baked goods like this, cookies. May mga different packagings. Yan, very nice. Yan, Snoopy. Everything Snoopy. Si Woodstock, like this one. You can buy this for 108 MOP. This one is for 88. Good for pasalubong. This one, egg rolls for 138 per box. Very nice pasalubong. A new store here in Senado Square. Oh, this one.
Here, open.
Okay.
Nice. And here is a
Charger.
Yes.
Ah, very nice. Lunch box. Oh, very nice.
here open.
Oh, great for pasalubong too. Yeah, we come back later. What time are you open?
Open is 9.
9?
9:30.
Okay.
Yeah, close is 8:30.
Okay. So we'll be back. Thank you very much. Yeah. This one is another pasalubong. Ah, so you... Oh, so there's some music. It's like a music box.
Here open. At
Uh-huh.
9.
Oh, at night. So it's there's a light. Oh, very nice. How much is that?
168.
Oh, very
I
nice.
will show everything to more is 10% discount.
Oh, when you buy two, that's less 10%.
Yes.
Okay, very good. We'll be back later. This one is so cute also.
This one is nice butter cookie and this one
Moving. It's moving like a bus.
bath. Yes.
Like a bus. Very cute. Thank you very much, Shishe. And this is a big Snoopy. You have a very nice store. Ito mga kababayan natin, mga Pilipino yan sila. Dito sa Pasteleria Yankee. Sa mini grocery. May Ginebra San Miguel. May Emperador. Ayan. Fundador. Alfonso. Para ka rin nasa Pilipinas. O may chicharon na may taba, oh.
Daming mani, 5 piso lang.
May itlog na maalat, may mani. Sinapay nila dito sa Macau. So, ito siguro yung mga tarts. Ito yung mga buns, puffs, and donuts. May pudding. Ito parang braso de Mercedes. Ah, ito yung ano nila. They have fresh baked products. Pineapple bun. And there's also a sit-down place. It's another bake shop. They have pancakes, fritters. Ah, fritters pala tawag doon. Ito parang ano nila, parang, ano tawag dito sa atin? Ito buchi, ang laki.
Hindi, sesame balls with
Oo.
sweet beans at ipuching ha.
Ito, meron sa atin yan eh. Millet cake,
Tofu.
different kinds. Oo, ito tofu. Mung bean. Wow, noodles and soy milk. Sila ditong bilihan ng mga fresh produce, sugarcane, vegetables. Ay, lilit na mga mangga, mga supsupin. Ito yung kanilang longganisa or chorizo. This is their cured ham. And this is their roast. Oh, wow. This is their barbecue roast. Lechon Macau. This is their cured ham. Wow. Nice. Dried. Everything dried. May dried fish and dried mga nuts. Ito mga nuts and dates. May cashew, fishes. This is their local market, wet market, live fish. Ang lalaki ng mga talaba, oh, tahong, and different kinds of shells. Yun, hipon. So this is their morning wet market. Yan, mga fresh fish. Dito sila namimili ng mga fresh seafoods. Very fresh. Tilapia. Different kinds of fish also. Yan. Halos parehas din naman sa atin yung hipon. Ito 40 per kilo times 7.5 ninyo. Fresh talaga kasi gumagalaw pa kahit bagong patay. Pamilihan nila ng mga dried fish and meats. This one, bilihan nila ng eggs. This one is cherries and grapes. Very big grapes. This is persimmon. And this one is apple, green apples. And this one is pomegranate. Grapes. Very fresh. Yung parang atis. This one is a parang atis. Oh, okay na. Pumili ka. And tingnan mo. Maliit. Senado Square in the morning. We were here kaninang madaling araw pero it's very, very dark. Ngayon, ito na, maliwanag na. So, this is the 360 degrees view of the Senado Square. Feliz Natal!
I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me, 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 close to me. I'm broken when you're not around. Unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me